So this Mercedes, the rear door lock isn't working. It's not locking or unlocking. If you look at the pins and I press the lock button here. So my computer can show what the fault is. Let's go back. Go back. Right, so these are the door modules. You got front right, front left, rear right. If I go into front right, which is this door, they'll be able to show me if there's any fault codes. There's no faults present. See if we can do anything fancy. Functional actuator. Can adjust the mirrors. Okay, so I'm trying to lock the door. Yeah, done that. So let's just show you the computer is serious. Let's go back. Whoops. There's some faults. Output for the central locking motor has a malfunction. There's a short to ground. And output for the actuator motor, additional door lock has a malfunction. There is a open circuit. So there's a fault with the lock in that back door. It's going to need replacing. All the other electrics are working beautifully in that door. Data. I'll keep hitting data. I want to go to functional test. You can hear it make a little whirring noise. I won't do it now. Well, maybe you heard it try just now. It was not okay. Nothing. Heard that again. normalization is. So yeah, the wiring to that motor is fine. Let's actually try and making the door not normal anymore. Still looks normal to me. Don't know what that is. This test ain't gonna work. It's a waste of time. Alright, that's it, guys. Love, the guy needs a new door lock. Start it up, make sure I didn't kill the battery with all of that testing.